Hello students, today we will discuss the homogeneous differential equation. What we will discuss? Homogeneous differential equation. What do we mean by homogeneous? Homo means equal, geneous means degree. Homogeneous means equal degree. The differential equation, homo means equal, geneous means degree, homogeneous means equal degree. Equal degree differential equation. Look at dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y divided by g of x comma y is called homogeneous differential equation. Differential equation, homogeneous differential equation if f of x comma y and g of x comma y is homogeneous function of degree of same degree, right? Example, dy by dx equal to x square plus y square by 2xy. Look at, it is homogeneous. Why? First term x square 2 degree, y square 2 degree, denominator x plus x power 1, y power 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, multiplication power will be added. So upper degree is numerator degree is 2, or the upper degree function is 2 degree, denominator is also a 2 degree function. So it is homogeneous differential equation. Is homogeneous differential equation, right? Example 2, x cube minus y cube plus xy into dx by dy is equals to y square. Look at here, dy by dx is what? X cube minus y cube plus xy divided by y square. Upper degree is 3 and 2. So it is upper degree is not equal. 3 here is 2, 1 plus 1 2. So it is upper degree is not homogeneous. Denominator is also not second degree. Upper degree is third degree. Same, not it is not the same. So non-homogeneous, homogeneous differential equation. So in order to make the differential equation homogeneous, upper function and lower function dy by dx is equal to f of xy by g of xy. Upper and lower must be homogeneous function and they are of same degree. Now we will see what is the working rule, how to solve the differential equation which is in the homogeneous form. Procedure for homogeneous differential equation. Procedure for solution of homogeneous differential equation. First we put y is equal to v into x. V is also a variable, x is also a variable. Y equal to v into x. Then what will be dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to v into dx by dx plus x into dv by dx. Step 2, separate the variables and integrate. Separate the variables and integrate. We separate the variables and then integrate. Right. Next, for the one question on it, here is a differential equation. We will discuss its solution. Now, it is a differential equation which is in homogeneous form. Is homogeneous differential equation. So what we put for y? For y we put vx. For dy by dx we put v into dx by dx means only v plus x into dv by dx. Right? We put here. Then v plus x into dp by dx equal to x square plus v square x square by 2x into vx, right? This is equal to x square into 1 plus v square by 2v x square cancel. Then x into dv by dx is 1 plus v square by v minus v. Left side v, right side would be minus v. Take LCM of this. 1 plus v square minus, here is 2v, here is 2v, minus 2v square, right? Then x into dv by dx is 1 minus v square by 2v, implies 2v dv by 1 minus v square equal to dx by x. Now, if you take 1 minus v square as z, 2v dv will be minus dz. Let z is equal to 1 minus v square, dz by dv is equal to minus 2v. So, minus dz will be 2v dv, minus dz will be 2v dv, minus dz will be 2v dv. So, we put these values in this equation. To be dv will be minus dz by z, it is integration. Right side is log x, implies right side log x, we write here, equal to minus log of z plus c, and this c must be in the form of log. Why it is in the form of log? Because all the functions are in the logarithm form, so constant should be expressed in the form of logarithm. Because as every constant, every real number can also be expressed in the logarithm form. सब constant को logarithm form में express करिए मेरे को. So in place of a c we write log c. Then log x is equal to log of c by z, log a minus log b, log a by b. Then what is x? It is cz, implies xz is equal to c, implies x into 1 minus v square is equal to c. Z value is 1 minus v square. What about v? Y equal to vx. Then what is v? V is y by x. So x into 1 minus y square by x square is equal to c, implies x into x square minus y square by x square equal to c. X cancel here. So x minus y, x square minus y square is equal to cx. Then what about y square? Y square is equal to x square minus cx. This is the final answer. So we first test whether it is homogeneous or not. If it is homogeneous, upper lower degree is term same degree, same power, then ऊपर सब टर्म रे x रो पावर y द्वारा आड कले सेम आसुतो तळे भी ताले हम कहबा इट इज होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. Then put y is equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx, and putting these values in the equation you cancel x term in the right side. Then separate the variables x dx is in one side and v dv will be in another side, and then integrate and with suitable substitutions, right? And you will get the final value. Now this is all about the homogeneous differential equation, and in the next video we will discuss differential equation which can be reduced to homogeneous form, right?